Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on AlmaLinux OS 10. By default we get the Firefox, but we don't get the Google Chrome. See here, we don't have Google Chrome. So open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux OS 10. Click on it. Now go to Google. Then search for download Chrome. Then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then for AlmaLinux or RHL we have to select this RPM package, even for Oracle or Fedora also. So click on accept and select this 64-bit RPM package and click on accept and install. Then it will download. See, download started and its size is 114 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh -no deps. Then Google, give the tab to autofill entire file name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Ignore these errors. We have successfully installed. Now go to applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Let us open it. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to automatically send usage statistics and class reports to Google, you have to select this. I don't want either of them, so unselect it and click on OK. Don't sign in. Then scroll down. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome. Okay, so ls, this file is not required. Rm, give Google, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.